Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 5-foot fake yucca plant. This looks so neat, and they've actually made it really easy to put together. You've got all of your separate limbs right here, and then you've got little numbers on the stems here that all you've got to do is just poke these in, and then these branches all just easily move and flex however you want it to be. So we're going to go ahead and put this together, and then we're going to put it out in the living room and just see how pretty this looks out in the room. Okay, so now I've got all these put in. They went right in, it was super simple. And then all you've got to do is just move your little leaves down however you want to have them. And these are really nice, realistic leaves, the way that they are. I'll bring you in here close so you can actually look at them. But first, I'm going to fluff them up and make this a beautiful little tree here. So these leaves move really nice, and I love how you can just move them however you want to have it. So you can make it as fluffy or as dense as you want to have for this little tree. And it is 11 pounds, so it's pretty heavy at the base. It's got this really pretty moss down at the bottom of it. So that way it just kind of adds that realistic feature to it. And I love artificial plants because I don't have to water it, I don't have to take care of it, and they look pretty all year. There is absolutely no maintenance to it. All you've got to do is set it up and you are good to go. And this is super simple to set up. All right, so I've put this plant in the corner of my sunroom and it looks so pretty. It's just really bringing that outside in. And I love how natural it looks and how real it looks. And I don't have to do any maintenance. So that is awesome. With a nice heavy base, I won't have to worry about it falling over. This is a nice addition to the decor of my home.